Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to insert comments in Google Docs on computer. So how to insert comments in Google Docs on computer? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to Google Docs on your computer or laptop. And this is the initial display of the Google Docs work page. To add, just block the text that will be given a comment. And direct the cursor to the top of the screen. Here there are several menu options. Tap this Insert menu. Here there are several menu options. Tap the Comment menu. Here a menu like this appears on the right side of the screen. The comment text that you will enter in the text, for example I entered this. After finished, tap Comment. Now here the yellow text is the text that I commented on earlier. So this function is to add notes or input to the document without changing the original text, facilitating collaboration and revision. So that's it, tutorial how to insert link in Google Docs on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.